Good morning children. Today we are going to see 6th English Term 2 Unit 1 Poem Team Work. Children, first let's see what is teamwork. Teamwork is the collaborative effort of a group to achieve a common goal or to complete a task in the most effective and efficient way. Okay children, before seeing the poem, let's have a short look about the poet. This poem was written by Edgar A. Guest. He was born on 20th August in 1881. He was a British-born American poet who was popular in the first half of the 20th century and became known as the People's Poet. His pen name was Eddie Guest. Edgar Albert Guest was made Poet Laureate of Michigan. He is the only poet to have been awarded the title. He died on August 5th, 1959 at the age of 77. Now let's start the poem. It's all very well to have courage and skill, and it's fine to be counted a star. But the single deed with its touch of thrill doesn't tell the man you are. For there's no lone hand in the game we play. We must work to a bigger scheme. And the thing that counts in the world today is how do you pull with the team? They may sound your price and call you great. They may single you out for fame. But you must work with your running mate, or you will never win the game. Oh, never the work of life is done by the man with a selfish dream. For the battle is lost or the battle is won by the spirit of the team. You may think it fine to be prized for skill, but a greater thing to do is to set your mind and set your will on the goal that's just in view. It's helping your fellow man to score when his chances hopeless seem. It's forgetting self the game is over and fighting for the team. Okay children, now let's see the explanation. It's all very well to have courage and skill, and it's fine to be counted a star. Courage means bravery. Skill means the ability to do something well. Children, in these lines, the poet says that it's good to have courage and talent to achieve something. And he also says it's also fine to be counted a star. But the single deed with its touch of thrill doesn't tell the man you are. In these lines, the poet says that thrilling in single act doesn't tell anyone your abilities. So, the poet inserts the importance of teamwork in these lines. For there's no lone hand in the game we play, we must work to a bigger scheme. Scheme means plan. Scheme means plan. Children, in these lines, the poet says that no one can win a game in a single hand. So, only the teamwork will lead us great success. And the thing that counts in the world today is how do you pull with the team? In these lines, the poet mentions that unity is strength. So, the poet says, work along with your teammates to attain great success. They may sound your praise and call you great. They may single you out for fame. Fame means glory. Fame means glory. In these lines, the poet says that sometimes people may praise you, call you great, and they may give you special attention from others for fame. Fame means glory. But you must work with your running mate or you will never win the game. Running mate is nothing but partner. Children, in these lines, the poet says that though the people praise you a great, you must work earnestly with your teammate or you will never win the game. Oh, never the work of life is done by the man with the selfish dream. Selfish means self-centered. Selfish means self-centered. In these lines, the poet says our work of life is never done with our selfish dream. It is a fact that is known to everyone. So, the poet tells us to work together as a team. For the battle is lost or the battle is won by the spirit of the team. Spirit means will or determination. Spirit means will or determination. Children, in these lines, the poet says that winning or losing a games is only depends on the team spirit. So, if we all work together as a team, we can attain success in all the fields. You may think it fine to be praised for skill, but a greater thing to do is to set your mind and set your will on the goal that's just in view. Children, in these lines, the poet says that we must work with the team by helping and coordinating with others in the team to achieve great success. So children, when we work together as a team, we become strong. So we can easily achieve our common goal. It's helping your fellow man to score when his chances hopeless seem. It's forgetting self till the game is over and fighting for the team. In these lines, the poet says that we should set our mind and our will on the goal, that is, to win the game. So children, the poet Edgar Albert Gust conclude the poem Team Spirit by saying, when we work together as a team, we should forget ourselves and lend helping hand to our fellow man to attain the victory till the game is over. Okay children, now we came to an end of the poem. So maintain a separate notebook for English. In case of any doubt, make a note of it, which will be clarified on the day of reopening. Children, now let's see the glossary. First one, deed, act or achievement. Second one, scheme, plan. Third one, fame, glory. Fourth one, teammate, companion or partner. Fifth one, spirit, will or determination. Sixth one, courage, bravery. Now let's see the important questions and answers. First one, what qualities are needed to play a game? To play a game, we need courage, skill and team spirit. Second one, what helps one win the game? We should pull with the team. We should work with our running mate. This team spirit helps with the game. Third one, how is team spirit created? We should forget self and cooperate with others. We should run with our teammates, play with them and help with them and help them to score. Fourth one, how does team spirit affect the battle? The battle is won or lost due to the presence or absence of team spirit. Fifth one, what should a player do to a fellow man? When a fellow man has no hope of winning, the player should help him to win. Children, it's time for question. Once again, you can go through the poem and answer for this evaluation. First one, what is very well to have for your player? Second one, is it easy to become famous with your single deed? Third one, who will call you great and praise you? Fourth one, why do the people single you out? List out any 5 team games.